Friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you different type of LEDs under microscope. So I will not only show you the different types of LEDs under microscope, but I will also show you how it looks like when it glows. So we will not waste much time and let's go to the project. So friends, here are the different types of LEDs. One is LDR, micro LDR, and different color LEDs. So today in this video I will show you all the diodes under microscope in normal condition and in glowing condition. So let's see how the diode looks. Here is the blue LED. So I will try to glow it. Let's see how it looks when it is glowing under microscope. Let's put off the light. And now blow it. So when the blue LED glows, it basically emits a purple radiation also, which we can't able to see, which is clear here. So now I will go for another LED. Here is the red LED and I will see how it looks when it glows. So when it glows, it looks like this. You can see it here. I have put about testing voltage only, very low. So now I will go for another LED. Let's see how. So now I have put a green LED. Let's see how it glows. Let's put off the light first. This looks amazing. So out of three, the blue one is looking most amazing. So friends, here is the micro LDR. You can see it. It is very tiny. And there is 4 wires inside it. So the light is making reflections, however.